Why jubilation in Lagos? Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court in Lagos has restrained the National Union of Road Transport Workers Lagos chapter, its former chairman Alhaji Musiliu Akisanya MC Oluomo, and others from collecting unions due and levies from commercial drivers that are non-union members in all motor parks in Lagos State. You see, MC Oluomo is a mentee and ally of a former Lagos State governor who is currently the national leader of the All Progressives Congress (APC). In March, a lawyer, Olukoya Ogunbeje, dragged Oluomo and others before the court. The others include the registered trustees of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, registered trustees of Road Transport Employees Association of Nigeria, registered trustees of the Nigerian Association of Road Transport Owners. The lawyer sued for himself and a new transport union, Transport Union Society of Nigeria. While moving the ex parte motion before the courts, Ogunbeje asked the courts for an order restraining the respondents jointly and severally, whether by themselves, their agents, official servants, previous officers, and or whosoever called from forceful imposition, collection, extortion, further forceful imposition. He also asked the court for an order restraining Lagos State government and its Attorney General jointly and severally, whether by themselves, their ministries, organs, agents, officials, servants, previous officers, and howsoever called for from further enforcements or implementation of the 800 naira, the transport union levy due and money imposed on every transporter and commercial vehicle driver in Lagos State commenced on Friday, February 1st, 2022, in connection with the fact of the case pending the hearing and determination of the substantive originating motion filed before the court. In its ruling on Tuesday, the court granted the ex parte application pursuant to Section 36, 33, and 40 and 46 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Order 4, Rules 3, 4, 4, 5, and 2 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009. MC Oluomo once described Tinubu, a presidential aspirant on the platform of the APC, as his father, leader, and mentor in an Instagram post in September 2019, saying, "My utmost appreciation goes to Almighty Allah for his benevolence and grace and for making a day like this a reality. I cannot but thank my father, my leader, my mentor, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his love and support towards my emergence as the NURTW chairman. He is truly a father and a father indeed," he had said in the post. Why jubilation in Lagos now? Because of course they said those who are their members should be the people they are going to be collecting money from. Even that one, the manner at which they are even collecting the money is not even the right thing. If not that the Lagos State government is something else, they will all be bragging. They are collecting IGR, this and that. They want to make a Lagos a smart state, and yet they are running it like Agberu. And the worst part of it is that those who are not even part of they are just transporter, but they are not members of the NURTW. They will be forcing them to collect money, and they are doing nothing to those people. And those people have complained over and over again. And this is a good one. I hope they are not going to um, uh, go against the court order. Watch as another court rule over the case and declare that judge unfit to declare such judgment. Of course, who will enforce this judgment when the national body suspended him and Lagos government officialized it by appointing him chairman over all Lagos states? Oluomo and Lagos state government are like 5 and 6. Story: you mean commercial drivers that usually submit daily levy willingly without being told, to avoid the commanders of violence in Lagos wahala? No, they are talking about those who are not registered under them. We have all those commercial, but a private one, they are the ones that they have been forcing, or they've been forcing them to pay that deal, which is not supposed to be. Hope it will be permanent. I hope so, because the irony of it is that The transporters will willingly comply despite the court order. Lawless people don't obey court rulings. If you never put Tinubu in your headline, he won't catch. Are they not the same? Oh my God, are they not the same? Are they different? Hmm. Tinubu na him pain you there. Him as if na member of your family. Old man without sense. Can you imagine? So, are you going to say anything in Lagos without Tinubu? Those people own Lagos according to those commercial vehicles owner. So sad. Hope EFCC is watching Mr. Bullion Van. Tight collector, this is his own oil well. Are they legally on the road in the first place? This is the singular reason why I am not in support of Tinubu. He is empowering these stars to victimize transporters, market women, and encourage them to be lazy. To be lazy. Is it coming from the same court that Tinubu is controlling and bank rolling? The guy will be laughing at the court order. This judgment can't even stand because he doesn't even represent National Union again. They had shifted the goalposts. 800 naira daily is too much. Fraud and corruption. How can the driver pay such and charge the passenger how much? The ones they collect for years, they do am. He never do am. I wonder if the position is hereditary. MC Oluomo should allow others rule. Court order, don't you see how those touts behave and harass drivers? They even delay buses and passengers if they refuse to pay. They should remove them from the road. That is the solution. These people are getting plenty day by day. Rocha Okorocha versus EFCC. Gunshot at Okorocha house. Okay. Okorocha is somewhere there crying. Well, simply put, 2023 court restraints Tinubu's ally MC Oluomo, Lagos Road Transporters (NRTRW) from collecting 800 naira daily levy from commercial drivers. This will never take effect in Lagos State, and this scattered country that law favors the elite and affects the weak. It is an obnoxious judgment of the highest order. 800 naira daily, wow, that is huge. Voting for his master will bring more hardship to the nation. Agbero will be nation whiting, of course. The action is a good one. Only if the Agberos and Oga Bullion Van will obey the court order. That is it. MC Olomo will keep fighting without sense. Soon he will be in jail in one man's stead. Just imagine how these people boycott NURTW. It has now become their personal source of income. Lagos is really bigger than Nigeria. It won't work. Very soon Agbero will cut receipts for pedestrians walking along Lagos streets in the name of a revenue collection. That revenue collection, they will collect, and yet there's no modern day facilities in that state. Honestly, you think he will obey that court order? Forget it. These people are too powerful than Nigeria law. Our incoming minister for transportation, may God help us in Nigeria. What is this rubbish about tout MC Oluomo disturbing Lagos State because of Tinubu just to marry many women? Okada riders pay 700 naira or so daily. It will reduce it to 500 naira and carry go. Court still working in Nigeria. Court in Nigeria is for the poor, not for the rich. Rich people are above the law in this country, and that is exactly what has been going on.